Hey, good evening, everybody. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. And my tip today is have multiple accounts. And the reason why, if you're doing any kind of marketing on social media and on any platforms, they can shut you down. And then if you get shut down, guess what? Your stuff stops if you don't have multiple. So I tell people get between 5 and 10 different accounts just in case they shut one down. Because it does happen, and that's just a part of doing business. And also, you have people on there that probably get mad at you, get jealous, haters. Guess what? They report your content, it gets shut down, and guess what? That means you shut down. But if you have 5 to 10, you don't worry about it, and your show just keeps on going. Hey, if you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and follow me at I'm definitely gonna give y'all some tips and some game because it's 2022 and don't let nobody stop you. This is Booker Williams. I'm out.